remains when the mourners have gone to the graveyard, when they've buried Umufi, there's one thing that comes back with them. It's the character of the person. It refuses to be buried. And today I have heard the Calvin that I spoke to being spoken about by those that have spoken ahead of me. He then started creating our graphics. He only did 2 because he got very busy. But from that day on, our graphics and our portrayal changed because of Calvin. Oh, Calvin, City, you are now a VIP member of Highlanders because you are doing this sterling work with us. Now listen to this. He would come into VIP and get a Latin for his and yes, so nice does not have he had the phone number Ronald Moyo, who is our media and communications officer, and my number because I said it's a lie. He would phone Brancha Chipanuban, I would have gone live la. But my father is seeing in Kochai, okay. But he was upfront. He was passionate. He he was straight to the point about what he believed, about who he was, and about the passion that he carried for all the spaces that he was in. So, I would like to say this. Sengqeda ukuthi siyabe singenzanga kuhle nxa singenzanga lokho ilizwi lami kalilihle njengabantu abahlabelayo bonke akade belapha kodwa vele Soweto kasihlabeli ngobuhle bamazwi. I am not sure ukuthi Calvin kade ezafuna sihlabele yini. Wena kade ezafuna sihlabele wasambelolo, kumbe kade ezafuna sihlabele wakhala uMantengwane, kumbe kade ezafuna sihlabele kudala kwakunganje, kumbe kade ezafuna sihlabele uNdlamlela, but I'll choose one, which is what has become an anthem. Before we sing it, let me tell you the project that we are going to use to carry on the conversations with Calvin. We had said, how do we bring the arts into Highlanders? Well, many of them we know they support Highlanders. And we agreed on Calvin. Thank goodness for COVID, it hasn't happened. We had said every home game, we will have curtain raisers featuring people from the arts industry, playing anyone who would like to come. That is going to happen. But we thought it was a way of showing the partnership, the collectivity of our society in the spaces that we are in differently and collectively. So that we are going to do. And Jays, Labo Sandra, Labo Babongile, and so forth and so on. And we thought we'll continue this over time until the season is over. And that we are going to do. But you can
Hello. Salvono. Se apila.